Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the video. And in this video, we're talking about XRP. Well, guys, I'm sure all of you know that what's happening in the crypto market right now. Like literally everything is on a bullish stream right now. If you look at Ethereum just broke out for the first time. It broke out the 2800 level. And this means very bullish for the overall crypto market. If I take you to the 4-hourly chart, we can see that Ethereum is also above, it's way above the bearish territory now, and Ethereum is heading towards its bull zone. So now that Ethereum is bullish, and also the Ethereum is also stronger against Bitcoin. If we just look here, the ETH BTC has broke all the strength records. If I show you, ETH BTC is very strong here. So I think now is the time that the actual bull run starts. Now what we all have been waiting for starts. So just take a look at this chart. Guys, this is the chart of, this is XRP chart. And if I show you, we have multiple breakouts on the XRP chart. And now for the first time ever, XRP is heading towards $5 price. And $5 might seem far from here, but it's actually not far. And it's only 64% from here. So if XRP hits $5, it's going to be 67% increase from the current price. So I think $5 is not a big deal, and it's not even a target for now. I think the bigger target that I'm looking at right now is the $10. So my first target for XRP is $10, which is very much possible. Let me show you why. So now we are on the coin market cap of XRP, and I want to show you something. So just look at this. So guys, the current market cap of XRP is only 179 billion, which is 179 billion, which is a fraction of what is the value of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So if I show you Ethereum, let me show you Ethereum, how much is Ethereum at. So Ethereum is at a valuation of 405 billion. $405 billion is the market cap of Ethereum. And Bitcoin is at $2.3 trillion. So right now Bitcoin and Ethereum are are two different coins in two very different forte. But I think sooner or later XRP is going to do something massive, and I'll tell you why in a bit. So currently XRP is at a market cap of 179 billion, and I think a 5 times of this market value is quite possible. So if XRP does a 5x from here, that's going to be a $880 billion market cap. And who knows, it could also hit a $1 trillion market cap. And if XRP hits a $1 trillion market cap, this is going to be the first altcoin excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum to ever hit a $1 trillion market cap. Yes, there is no other coin in the market right now except Ethereum that could hit a 1 trillion market cap. So let me go back to the Ethereum chart and show you again like what was the all-time high market value of Ethereum. So yeah, so I was wrong. Even Ethereum has never hit a $1 trillion market cap. So now I wouldn't be surprised if XRP surpasses Ethereum and hits the $1 trillion market cap before Ethereum does it. So I think XRP can do wonders as compared to Ethereum Why? Because XRP has a massive backing uh, by the US government right now. XRP has their own stable coin, Ripple USD. Also, we have also XRP is like heavily being used. I mean, is going to be used as a payment system, which Ethereum is not. So XRP blockchain would like could be used for payments between the large banks. So we have some. So I'm sure you have heard about the massive payment use case of XRP that no other coin is able to. So right now XRP is in the talk. So I think when XRP can flip Ethereum at some point, but that only time will tell. But looking at the current narrative and comparing the news regarding XRP, XRP is a much stronger coin compared to Ethereum. Ethereum being the backbone of all the altcoins except Bitcoin. So I think the Ethereum blockchain is the only reason that's keeping it at the number 2 position. But XRP has got massive payment use case because of its high scalability, low fees, and faster transactions. So that's why it could uh, beat Ethereum in terms of ranking and could be the number 2 crypto. And when that happens, all of our bags will increase. So guys, before we move forward, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are highly unregulated, so only invest what you can bear to lose and do your own research before investing. So moving on, before we wrap this video, I just want to talk about some coins. So on the day, we have some coins popping up, and these are mostly meme coins. So we have some new meme coins popping up, like this Simon Cat. I'm not sure about this, at a 66 million cap. Then we have another coin ND at a market cap of 81 million. So some of these coins are pumping. Then we have this coin at a market cap of 66. But then on the weekly, we have some bigger coins like Hyperlane. I don't know what this coin is about. It's also a small cap coin, 70 million. But it has grown too much, 240%. KNC is also up, which is the Kyber network coin. So these are some coins, and it's pretty likely that we have entered into the bull run. The only thing that's concerning me right now is this chart here, which is the crypto fear and greed index. And whenever the greed is at around 70 or 80, I tend to be a little cautious. So we had a higher greed yesterday at 73. Now the greed is going down, which means that we could see a stable movements to the upside. So considering the greed, but also looking at the chart of, wait, let me show you. Well, looking at the chart of Ethereum, let me show you again. Ethereum looks massively bullish. So I have been so Ethereum flipped this major level at around 2800, and as long as Ethereum is above the 2800, I am very certain that the bull run is on, and all of our bags will be will multiply very soon. So yeah, this looks quite good. If I just show you, also looking at the Bitcoin is also pretty strong. We saw a massive breakout, and we hit 123,000 for the first time on Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, and also did a Bitcoin also did a retest from the lows of the lower time frame. So Bitcoin grabbed the liquidity at 118,000, then it went up, and it's now, I think Bitcoin is going to go in a little sideways motion like this. Let me show you what I think. So what I think is that now Bitcoin will go sideways like this, And if Bitcoin keeps moving sideways and holds above this area, which is 110,000, I am very certain that we might see a breakout in all of these altcoins, which is very likely right now. So if you haven't got some coins, you should consider getting some coins in your portfolio now. And looking at the total, so we have a massive boost in the total chart. Also, Ethereum is very strong against Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance is massively down, which is a massive indicator for the bull market, for the altcoins pump. And also, if I show you the USDT dominance, the stablecoin dominance is also down, which is also another good signal for the crypto bull market. So guys, I think this is a wrap for this video. These are the top gainers if you just want to look. And some coins that are very high in funding right now are MDT, FLR, then some other coins. So guys, I think this is a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and guys, I'll catch up with you next video. Till then, subscribe to the Crypto Zealot channel, because this is where I give you the most important and most unbiased crypto news and analysis here. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.